Let's go.
A picture of you smiling, holding the dildo. Talk all that gangster talk, but is it real though? That's why you say get the strap. I didn't catch on. When 50 say get the strap, he mean get the strap on. You need.
Kas? Crazy angles. Jā, 50s es redzēju Instagramā, viņš bieži lika get the strap. Viņam, man liekas, varbūt ar dziesmu nebija. Es nemaldos, get the strap, bet es biju pamanījis, ka viņš to baigi daudz arī lika savā šitie te captionos. Man liekas, ka ar dziesmu bija get the strap, man tā liekas. Jā, ar 6ix9ine vēl pie tam. Yeah. Tā kā 50s ar 6ix9ine vēl kopā. Jā, pareiz.
Therapy, that's the answer. Not mental therapy, chemotherapy. You a cancer, that's your horoscope. Before you came out, New York was dope. All the guards was woke. Hip-hop was flooded with bars and quotes. First you snaked the game and sold to Young Buck with your artists.
Wow. Krūt flow maiņa, bet ko viņš teica par to?
Not mental therapy, chemotherapy. You a cancer, that's your heart on. When 50 say get the strap, he mean get the strap on. You need therapy, that's the answer. Not mental therapy, chemotherapy. You a cancer, that's your heart.
Bļā, labi pagriezi, tev vajag terapiju. Ne mentālo, bet ķīmoterapiju, jo tu esi cancer. Oh, shit, labs. Wow, labs, man patīk.